In this video, you are going to see how to make this beautiful animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let us write here water. Select it, change the font to Montserrat Extra Bold and increase the font size to 180 point. Place it in the center. Click on the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Align Center and Align Middle. Again go to Insert, Shape, pick a text box and drag it like this and add a title over here. Let us write here The Secret Life of Universe. Change the font to Laura. Go to spacing, go to more spacing. Let us write here 15 point and place it in the center. Click on the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key, select the text box and this one. Go to Shape Format, Merge Shape, choose Subtract. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow and let us choose Offset Center. Go to Shape Fill and let us choose this fill color. Now go to Insert, go to Video, choose this device. Let us choose this video, click on Insert. Go to Playback, click on Automatically and click on Loop until stop. You will find this video in the pixabay.com. Search here by writing Pixabay Nature Videos and let us go to over here. You will find various videos over there. You can download a video from your own choice. Now click on it and send it to back. Now let us watch the slideshow and here you will see this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.